you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be reacting to Silk Sonic Fly As Me live at the Soul Train Music Awards. Yes, I am ready. Now if you have watched my album reaction, which I'm gonna put it right here, yes, you will know that Fly As Me is one of my favorite tracks, baby. Like the instrumental, the pronunciation, okay? A1. But before we hop into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. You can find me on Instagram at I am Karen right here. And yes, let's get into this video. Come on, drums. Yes. Woo. I don't know who this stylist is, but baby, you are doing your job correctly. Yes. You got them looking sharp, baby. Sharp, sis. Or sir. I don't know if it's a man or woman, but you doing your thing. Hold on. Potato. Y'all, sorry. Y'all, I just love the song. I got distracted, but baby, let's start with the suits. Let's start with the soul tray at the back. The stage, the budget, baby. It's giving me nostalgic vibes. Yes. 60s, 70s. Yes, baby, yes. Come on. Carlo. That's a follow. It's showtime trying to who you up like it's hip hop. You're oppositions. Let's get down to business. You and me together. Woo. That's a Oh, this I don't ask for much. They're hitting these moves. They're always hitting these moves. Silk Sonic always hitting the choreography. Listen, let me tell y'all something. They're always serving. Listen, these dance moves. Come on. Hey. Come on. Somebody is fly as me. Somebody is fly. And you deserve to be seen. Somebody is fly as me. Hey. Y'all see that turn? That 360 turn? That was so smooth. Hold on. Y'all see it? Look at this turn. That was smooth. Look. Wow. they never disappoint. Silk Sonic never disappoints. I'm sorry. Studio live version, baby. I know there's no way they use auto-tune on their voice, but they sound exactly the same, baby. And that is talent. We could sound even better than the studio version. Come on. Now that was a ooh, hiccups. Now that was a performance, baby. Ooh, so Sonic. One of my favorite moves was when those F, L, E. Okay, let me calm down because I get excited when it comes to them. But I hope you all enjoyed my reaction. That performance was really good. I know I'm like over 2 weeks late, but we still in here. We still here. I still here. But without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. You can find me on Instagram at IamKaren. And until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.